Teams are not very useful if you don't have people in the team. So that's what we're looking at in this video. There are several ways you can add people to a team. If you're using Azure Active Directory, you can just look them up in the directory and add them that way. The examples for this course, I'm using people's Microsoft account. So I will send them an invite to the team. You find your teams by going to a project, then go to project settings, and then look at teams. As you can see, there's a single default team created when I created the project. It's called First Project Team. And there's only one member, the person that created the project. There are some additional teams created in that demo generator project. So I'll go back to the organization and then go to Health Clinic, go back to project settings, go to teams. And I see my default team at the top, but there's two additional teams that were created by the generator and they're all empty. So it's time to add some members. So I would click on the team, then I click on add. And I want to add Terry. Now, when I paste Terry's address in here, it says that she's not available in any of the groups. So I need to add her to the organization. So I'll go to the organization, go to organization settings, go to users, add a user, paste in her email address here, send her an email invite. I want to add her to all of the projects. Before I click on the add button, let's talk about the access level. There are several choices in here depending on whether you have test plans enabled or not. So I have 3 at the moment: Basic, Stakeholder, and Visual Studio Subscriber. Let's talk about the first 2. Basic provides access to most features. You assign this to users that have Visual Studio Professional subscriptions or people that have Azure DevOps Server CALs. Stakeholder is for providing partial access to stakeholders. So this could be the people that are creating your backlog, and they don't need to have access to all the features, just the ability to add work items. So you would choose stakeholder. And all stakeholder licenses are free. You can have unlimited stakeholders. But for our example, we're working with basic. So there's Terry. Click on add. I see she appears on the list. She hasn't logged in yet. Now I'll add another user. Add Tad. He's going to be basic. Look at added to all projects. Send him an invite too. Now you can see that we have 2 users. They haven't logged in yet. So we'll wait for a minute for them to log in to their email client and accept our invitation. Now I've logged in with Tad's account. He got his email and he accepted the invitation. And you can see that he has access to our new organization. And there's our 2 projects that he was added to. It's time to check in on our new users. So I'll go to the organization, then to settings, users. I see that Tad has accepted the invitation and is logged in, so he can participate. Terry hasn't logged in yet, so I could add her to Teams, but she won't be able to do any work until she accepts the invitation. Next step is to go to one of our projects. Let's go to Health Clinic. Go to Project Settings. Go to Teams. I'm going to rename this team. Call this one Mobile. And then click on Save. And then I will go here and choose to add Terry and Tad. Then I'll do the same thing, go back to Teams, go to this other team, Team 2, go into here and rename this one Desktop. Or I should say, let's make this a web team. Then go back to Members and add Terry and Tad.